Here. Sorry, I've got to do this real quick, okay? Here, look at me, sweetie. Turn around. Let me get your hair down. Let me get your hair. Yes, you can take that home. Okay, look at me. All right, stop. Look at me. Let me see your teeth. Grace. Okay, I'm not going to let you take it home if you keep... Let me see your teeth. Open your mouth. Okay, let me see your fingers. Good girl, we need to cut those this weekend, though.
No.
Not right now, I said this weekend. Now, you're very beautiful. Your clothes are all clean.
I don't want to cut off.
Okay. Hey, you're very beautiful. Look at me, please. I'm running out of time. I'm very proud of you, and I love you very, very much, okay? You're my #1 girl in the whole wide world. I love you more than anything else, okay? And what don't we do? What don't we do?
We don't do drugs, we don't do alcohol, we don't do cigarettes, and we don't do alcohol, we don't do
You're good. What happens if somebody touches you in a bad place?
You tell everybody.
Right.
Except the person that touched you in the wrong place.
No, you tell them too. You basically say, get off me, and you yell at them. No one's allowed to touch you ever in a bad, naughty area, okay? Hey, I love you. Give me a hug and kiss. Give me a hug and kiss. Let me go. Then you go put your coat on. Come here. Hey, I love you, okay?
Love you.
Where's my big hug?
Here's a big hug.
Oh, okay. Here, go stand next to your Christmas tree. I'll take a picture with your Christmas tree. Then we gotta turn it off.